Hello, Ken Hill, and I'm about to repair my This is a kind of different setup I'm doing. I'm using my Quest 3 as a camera, but yeah, I need to repair this jo joystick on my thumbstick on my Xbox controller. However, I'm suspecting it was a mouse that chewed it because I had a mouse in the house back last month. But yeah, or I'm not really sure what messed it up. Anyway, I already popped the sides of it, so I already done that stuff, and also made a little hole right here to get to the screw. What I'm going, what I purchase is I keep on forgetting the camera right now. Extreme weight, um, thumbsticks, and unfortunately the little manual they give you, like a Game Boy, um, it's just only go to a website to show you how a video to show it. So yeah, that's the only way to do it. Um, so basically, I waited. Basically, this the new thumbstick's gonna look like I'm gonna insert on my controller. So yeah, and like I said, I already took all the other stuff off. So the only things I need to do is take the basically the also my face tracking is not working on VC face because yeah, because this is in the way on my other camera. I just need to take the screws out. So yeah, hopefully if they give me the right screw. So yeah. So this is like a different kind of type of video I'm doing, just like in real life stuff. So yeah, like for last videos I did 3D modeling. So yeah, I'm just trying different things. Actually, I might go for it way. I feel like I am, but I'm not. Also, I not feel like I'm not. Hmm. Wanted to hold it more closer, but I shouldn't. But yeah, come on now. I like I am going for the right way, but from me, I feel like I'm not. Oh, I am going for the right way. There we go. Showing my hairy arm. There we go. Got that out. Um, I'll just use this to hold my screws. One out of five. Almost. Just give the other ones. I should be done. Okay. And they'll go the other batteries and stuff just fell down. Dang. Oh well. 2 out of 5. Coming out. And I have very good space while I'm doing to record. Hey, I'm just experimenting, doing different kind of types of videos. So yeah. Coming out. For some reason that one been tough. And there goes butter. What? For Pete's sake. This stuff. No, I'm just gonna put Actually, I don't use the batteries. I just use my controller as a wired controller. So I'm not really sure. I just whatever. Those batteries might be expired. I'm not sure. Anyway, why this one is being stuck? Come on now, get out. Forget it. I'll just go over a hill for now. There we go. Now this one is rolling easy. Like some people will just if something like just their thumbstick, probably they just probably just throw the whole controller away and all like that, and don't think. Like think, there are replacements. You can easily do it. Like for me, I'm doing it myself. You can easily do it. Actually, I'm not recording some of that thing. Like, 3 out of 5 screws. What now on these last two? The last two I held, this one and one over there. I'm not sure why I've been being stubborn, but okay. But the other one, I keep on butterfingers. It's me. The other one was, but I'm not sure. Okay, there we go. This one, I don't want to mess. I don't want. Okay, stubborn little, stubborn little fuck. Four out of 5. So this one video is gonna be most about this one screw that's being stubborn. Like the only way to get this faceplate off is to get all the screws off. If I want to, if I want to take all the actually wait, can I just cheat it? I can just cheat it. Yeah, if I can just for that one screw being ass, I'm just gonna cheat it. So there you go. There's no plus. I don't know what. I don't know which way is which. There's no plus. Oh my gosh. Well, I hope that works. I like it works. Okay. And to make it, what was that sound? Probably one of those other screws, but okay, easy. For that one screw being stubborn, so hopefully this is good enough. Man, I want to see if I hold back side, but no, that one screw had to be difficult. Okay, basically the same way, just up and down. Have it longer, have that way, basically long, to match with the little stick and metal stick inside. That the metal stick keep on getting tilted. Come on now. Well, that's not a very good video. Because that one screw had to be mess me up. Oh well. That's the control stick keep on getting off centered. Come on now. Yo. Not really what I wanted to do, but I really want the whole faceplate to be taken off, but feel good, so that's good. Okay. Still disappointed with I'm still disappointed with this one screw. Screw you. Anyway, I'm on to just try to put these screws back in place now. Okay. Hopefully, when I do the soldering, I'm gonna be doing a soldering video of Game Boy cartridges repairing replacing the batteries in my Game Boy cartridges. Mostly it's my old Pokemon games. One is a Donkey Kong game, but the Donkey Kong, not the lands, or should I do the lands? Actually, I don't need to, but because I always play through the Donkey Kong Land games on my channel. I could replay them on my channel, but I would need more batteries if I do that. Oh well, I got 5 batteries coming my way, so keep on being 5 batteries coming my way, so I can get those to one of them I want to put back in my Pokemon Blue because I want to keep that because I did a recording of Pokemon Blue sometime years ago on this channel. After that I want to keep that data, to say that. So yeah, I want to do a soldering video. Okay. And we get that out. Here we go. And the last screw. And sometimes I have it the last screw. Sometimes I want to be a jerk too to get back in. Like that screw. Sometimes the last screw to be screwed, to be unscrewed, want to be a jerk, and the last screw the last screw that doesn't want to be screwed back can be a jerk sometimes. But okay, just doing okay. Tight. 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 And of course this gonna be, oh no, somehow this one got loose. Oh, of course at the end this one gonna be now loose now. Because it probably got more out of line when I unscrewed the other one, so it couldn't be unscrewed correctly. I'm not really sure. Don't want to think about it. Actually, when these batteries expired? Uh, November 2028. Yeah, yeah. Whatever. What? Wait, that's a plus. I mean, did I put this one in backwards? Nope, I put this one white. There we go. Okay, cover that back up. I put this with all these things back on. I had to use a screwdriver to take these apart, take these off. Because that was that stingy. Okay, is that the right way or it? No, here we go. This right way. It should just pop right back on. It should. Should. There we go. And now the last one. Actually, it took me a while to set up this whole thing with a Quest 3S as a web. Tried to make it as a cam to record, to cast it. To cast. Oh my! I had to take it apart again because it's some reason it would not. Okay, there we go. Try to do what I did a while ago. Deal. Now, hopefully, this will work in a video game. So what good game I can record? Hmm. It's always good. Oh, let's see. No, I'll just do Oblivion. Okay. Um, turn this browser off. Take my headset off. This. Um, put my headset on. Headset off. There we go. Take a look at what. Okay. There's a notification of a nerd. There's some notifications. Um, um, fix my mic. Blah. Here we go. Get my USB cord. Plug that back up. Plug that to the controller. get in the hole. Get in the hole. There we go. Controller back on. Go to VC base a minute. Go to settings, expressions, general settings, face tracking. Okay. Oh, of course, because I'm recording now. I got yeah. Now I'm recording and all like that. Now it's saying I need to restart VC phase, change the camera settings and all like that. Eh, I don't feel like doing all that. Anyway, because if I do that, I need to turn off OBS, and I don't feel like turning off OBS. So right now I'm still gonna be looking stiff. So yeah, okay, close all that. Um, go to what games do we actually check out? No, I'll just go to Oblivion. Or should I go to Oblivion? I'm thinking of a good game to test this out. But Oblivion can be a good game because right now I could go to the reason I'm saying Oblivion because I don't have no other things to I could try out Sonic, but I can use D-pad mostly for that. But yeah, you remember Oblivion I can use control sticks and all like that. Of course, the button's still gonna work. Okay, loading done. Okay, the controller, but thumbstick is not based on the screen right here, so that's good. Um, uh, there we go. Go to this. As I know about, I did some more add more mods. I need to continue my playthrough of my Oblivion, but right now I'm not just this as a test with a thumbsticks. Yes, I play mostly games with a controller. Sue me. Okay, sensitivity doing good. How about camera movement? Good, good, good. Nice. So, how is everything is good? So that's a plus for me. So anyway, it's been Ken Ken. My tongue is getting tied. It's been Ken Cobalt. Thanks for watching. You saw me repaired my replaced the what touching me touch my headphones. Oh, that thing, the boom cover thing. Anyway, I recovered my we keep on saying we covered. I replaced the thumbsticks on my okay, that thing isn't white in my view now. I just moved that thing above my head. Whatever. Anyway, I fixed that. The thumbsticks on my Xbox controller. Anyway, and it how it is. Everything's working fine. Oh, even the buttons. I forgot to press the buttons and all like that. So that's all. That's a plus for me. Anyway, thanks for watching this little video of me repairing that, replacing them. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and happy gaming.